Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Redmi Watch 4 versus the Huawei Watch Fit 3. So as you can see right here, if you don't know what these two are, the Redmi Watch 4 is a budget smartwatch with a large AMOLED, as you can see right here, AMOLED display screen, built-in GPS, and a long battery life. And the Huawei Watch Fit 3, on the other hand, is a slim, lightweight smartwatch focused on fitness with a bright display and helpful smart features. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with the Redmi Watch 4 here. So the pros of it is that it has a large 1.97-inch AMOLED display, up to 20 days of battery life, Bluetooth calling, and full GNSS support. Now the cons of it is that it is bulky for smaller wrists, and it may not suit you, and basic fitness tracking, and has a limited app ecosystem. Now the Huawei Watch Fit 3, on the other hand, the pros of it is that it has a slim, lightweight design. It has a bright 1.82 AMOLED display, which can reach up to 1500 nits, which is very bright. It has advanced fitness and health tracking, and has music playback, remote camera, and NFC. Now the cons of it is that it has a shorter battery life, which is 7 to 10 days, no music streaming, and limited smart features. So which one is right for you? So if you choose the Redmi Watch 4 for a longer battery life, GPS and calling on a budget, and choose the Huawei Watch Fit 3 for comfort, fitness, and focus, and a brighter screen. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.